Hi, in this video I'm going to start showing you how to start customizing your affiliate page. So we can see that our affiliate page looks like this, and we've gone ahead and added the countdown content and some content to get started so that we can show you how to customize it. So click on the Customize tab, and then we have button color, typography, background, deal box, and layout. So we can choose a default color. Reload our page. It reflects in both areas, and we can also open up the button editor and here we can go ahead and start designing our own button. So we can choose a color scheme right here. We have plenty to choose from, so we'll just use this red for right now. We can go ahead and choose the border radius for each corner. We can choose the specific colors for the top and bottom gradient that flip on hover, the font color, the border color, the box shadow color, and the text shadow color. And we can choose to have no gradient if we want to have a flat box. And we can choose the border radius. We can make it into a very pillbox shape. We can choose the border size. Choose border color and give it a very dark border. Let's click away from that. We can choose the box shadow and have inset on the outside, so inset will be on the inside, so we can go ahead and choose the blur radius. As you can see, it's getting, so we can choose a very dark color for that. And we can choose the spread. Let's go with that. We can choose the text shadow. You can see it's moving there. We have the horizontal and vertical alignment. Once we're happy with our button, we can choose anytime to change the color palette once we have changed some of our options. And we'll just go back and quickly change it to the way we had it. These are just darker. And we can choose that to be darker. And click away. And we can position the text shadow just the way we like it and give it a little bit of a blur. There we go, that's a button that we like. So we can go ahead and select this, copy it, paste it into here. We won't be needing that anymore. We click on save, reload our page, and here's our custom button that we've just created to get some real attention on the buy now button. We can choose the typography for the headlines and paragraphs. They will load when you scroll down. Let's go ahead and choose Chewy for the headlines and a nice readable font for all the content. We can save the changes, reload our page, and there is the changes to the headlines and to the content. You can have fun playing around with that is using Google Fonts, so that's why there's so many. Moving on, we can go and change the background. So this will we have the option of what to display. We can choose a custom background image that will repeat, or we can choose the repeating top and custom colors. So we can go ahead and choose one of these repeating graphics and go ahead and choose a color. So we're choosing a red one, so let's just go ahead and have a dark red color here. Click on save. So you can see we can have that now. Let's just go ahead and make it much darker. There we go, we have just customized the button in the background and the typography really quickly. Moving on, we can choose the texture for the deal box area right here. We have a few to choose from here. We can add our own custom background image or a custom color, and this will be the text color. So if we choose a light one like this paper, we will want to choose the dark to make sure that our headlines actually are readable. Let's see, it will change the headlines to black, so they're actually readable on the white background there. So moving on, we can now change the layout. We can change the layout from the deal right, say that. Just switch the video countdown to this side and the deal box to the right. We can go ahead and do that same thing to the content area. You can see now we have a different layout quickly. And in the next videos you'll see how to edit the custom countdown and the content and the extra features. Thank you for watching.